Are you trying to decide which scoot drone to buy? Well then this video is for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. Now you've probably seen these scoot drones in places like Amazon. They don't use a controller and they just toss to fly, and they have sensors on them to avoid obstacles and stay about 5 feet off the ground. And recently Force1 introduced the Scoot 2 and the Scoot XL. In this video I'm going to quickly compare the Scoot Original, the Scoot 2, and the Scoot XL to give you a better idea of which one you should buy. First, we have the original Scoot. This one is the smallest, lightest, and simplest version. It has a distinct UFO-shaped cage, which makes it very durable and protects your fingers from the propellers. It has a multicolored LED in the very top of the quadcopter frame, and it makes a really cool shadow pattern on the ceiling when it's flying around. It kind of looks like the Death Star window, which is pretty cool. I think this makes a really great option, especially for younger kids, because it is the most docile, lightweight option. Next up, we have the Scoot 2. The Scoot 2 is a little bit bigger and more powerful than the original Scoot. Instead of a center LED, it has a ring of red, white, and blue LEDs around the frame. It has a different cage design, so it doesn't really look like a UFO, but it is rather stylish. It also uses the same charger as the original Scoot. The main extra feature with the Scoot 2, in addition to the different LEDs, is that it can actually do flips, which is pretty cool. You can kind of capture the drone with your hands, and then you wave your hand under it, and it will do a flip. So the Scoot 2 is basically like a new and improved version of the original Scoot. And finally, we have the Scoot XL. The Scoot XL is much larger than the Scoot 2, with larger propellers and more powerful motors. So you do need to exercise a little bit more caution when grabbing the drone and in the area that you're going to be flying. It has a multicolored LED dome in the center. Due to the larger motors and propellers, it is louder. Instead of the barrel type charging plug that the Scoot Original and Scoot 2 use, it uses a micro USB charging port. I would recommend this for older children. I think on the box it does say 14 plus. The reason being that it is quite easy to fit your fingers through the actual cage, and with the more powerful motors, I don't think it's going to draw blood, but I think it could hurt more than the smaller propellers. The Scoot XL also features 2 speed settings, and I think the coolest feature is it has a remote for launching and landing. And I think one of the best things about the little remote that you can use to launch and land this thing would probably be that you could scare the snot out of somebody if you put this somewhere and they weren't expecting it to go off. Just one possibility, but not that I'm recommending that you scare anybody with this. So hopefully now you have a better understanding of which Scoot model is right for you. And see the video description below for links to all 3 models on Amazon, as well as Force1's Drone Buyer's Guide. If you want to learn more about each version of the Scoot, check out my individual review videos. And thanks to Force1 for sending these drones for me to review. If you have any questions about these different Scoot models, leave me a comment. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. XL, Scoot 2 is so classic. Then again, the original. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can hit that little subscribe button. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you again very soon.